Everything that this landscaper could ever need or think of will be automated by this system right here. So they have to focus on nothing but doing their landscaping work while our automation prints them money on the back end.
I've been building and selling AI automation since before ChatGPT came out, and I've worked with every niche imaginable. But one of the best niches that you can work with are landscaping companies. The reasons are that landscaping jobs are extremely high ticket. The landscapers themselves are always so busy that they have no time to spend working on the business, and there are so many of them, meaning that the total addressable market is massive. So today I'm going to show you an AI automation system that I've built that you can take the template of and you can go to landscaping companies and you can sell this for $2,000 to $5,000 and a couple $100 every single month for the maintenance. It's super easy to set up and it'll probably take you anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. Now, if you want access to the template, what you can do is you can join my school community at school.com/automate. The link will be in the description. What you can do is you can pause the video right now, go apply to the community. So by the time the video is done, you should be approved and then you can get the template and put all of this into action. We also make it a priority to approve people who leave comments in the comment section. So put a comment down below on why you want access to the template and if you're actually going to go start a business with this so you can get priority access. Now let's jump into the video.
All right, so now we're inside of the software that we're going to be using to build these automations. So the software is called Go High Level, which is an amazing all-in-one tool that can do anything a small business could need, especially landscapers. But this is my white label version, which means that I just took Go High Level, I put my own name, my own logo on it, and I customized it for AI automation specifically. So if you want access to my software, everything that we're building here, then you'll find that inside of the school community as well. You can just watch the introduction videos in the classroom to see how to get this. Now here you can see the automations that I have pre-built for you, which we're going to go through one by one so you know exactly what to sell landscapers. But the first thing that we're going to sell to them is actually a custom funnel. So if I click on the site section over here, you can see that we've got two funnels over here for the landscapers already built out. So if I open that up, I'm going to show you exactly what a funnel is. So this is what it looks like. It basically says here, it's a site that says claim your $100 savings on high-rated residential and commercial landscaping services. So we actually provide this to the landscaper because if they're running ads or if they have their social media set up, we want to direct all of their traffic into a funnel. This is the mistake most marketers make, is that they run ads to the landscaper's website. The difference between a website and a funnel is that the funnel, there's only one thing you can do. Submit the form, book a meeting, consultation, appointment, whatever. On a website, there's too many options. They can go to the about page. There's like 3 different ways to contact them: web form, chat widget, phone number. The website visitor just gets confused and overwhelmed. Inside of a funnel, there's only one option: claim your $100 discount right here. So as soon as they click that, it opens up a survey for the lead to go through. It asks them questions about their project, trees, how big the property is, things like that. And then when somebody fills out their form, that information automatically goes into the CRM system where we can now do follow-ups on these leads. So once someone goes through that form, they're going to get a summary of the answers that they put inside of the form. Once they say, hey, everything looks good, they're automatically going to be taken to this booking page right here where they can actually book directly onto the calendar for the landscaper for the appointment. So this is happening on autopilot. But now let me show you the automation point of view, right? So we're going to go now to our automation section over here. And this is where I've built all those pre-built automations for you to use. Now, if I go into landscaping right there, and let's open up the first one right here. So what's going to happen is this automation, the way automations work is that there's a trigger and then there's some actions. Trigger is what sets off this workflow, like a chain reaction. So the trigger is that if someone fills out that form on that funnel that I just showed you, we want them to be added to this workflow. So what's going to happen is they get assigned to one of our clients. We put a tag on them called new lead. We create an opportunity inside of the pipeline. And then you can see here that if it was a Facebook lead, we add a Facebook tag. If it was a funnel lead, we add the funnel tag. And based on where that lead came from, we send them to a new workflow. So now we send them to another workflow we have called new lead. So I'm going to switch into that workflow right here in my workflow switcher. And if I scroll down, this is the next workflow I'm going to open up. So this is called new lead introduction, right? So now whenever a landscaping client gets a new lead, they're automatically going to get a text saying, boom, you've got a new lead with their name, their email, their phone number. So now our landscaper, while he's on the job, while he's working, he knows he's getting leads coming in 24/7. Right now, they probably don't have a system like this. So they got to log in every day at the end of the day and say, hey, how many new leads did I get? What's going on with my business? So this way they get updated while they're on the go. Then they get an automatic welcome email. So this is the customer themselves. When the lead submits the form, it's going to say, hey, John, thanks for your interest in joining our landscaping company. We're thrilled you're interested in saving on one of our most popular services. Here's the discount. Here's everything that you get. the customer also gets a new SMS saying, "Hey, this is John from Premium Landscaping. Did you just fill out our form to get more information on our new offer?" So you basically just remind them of something that they filled out. We wait 10 minutes and then we keep SMSing them until we actually get a response, because we don't know if this lead is real, if they're interested. So sending an SMS to elicit engagement is a very powerful tool. So they're saying, "Hey, just wanted to touch base again real quick before I stepped out. Would you like me to fill you in more about the service that we're offering or the promotion that we're running?" So the idea is that these automated texts pretend to act as the landscapers to basically engage with the lead to get them interested in purchasing. Then we're going to wait one day, then we're going to send an email saying, "Hey, don't miss out on your discount." We're going to keep sending them SMSs and emails until they actually respond and we know that they're an active lead that actually wants to work with us. So this keeps on going. If we don't get a response after a couple days, then we're going to put a tag on them called unresponsive and put them into this nurture workflow, which means we're not going to forget about them, but over the next weeks or maybe a couple months, they're just going to keep getting a drip sequence of like communication from our landscaper saying, "Hey, we haven't forgot about you. When you're ready, you can reach out to us directly." So this is extremely useful. A lot of landscapers just forget about leads if they don't pick up after the first call or the first email. From there, we're going to go into a different workflow. So let's say that they actually did respond to our emails and SMSs. So what happens then? So if they actually respond, then we're going to put a tag on them called responded. And now we're going to put them into this new workflow. So we're going to send a text to the staff members at the landscaping company saying, "Hey, they responded to your new lead workflow. Reach back out to them to get them to book their appointment if they haven't already." Then we wait 2 days. If they still haven't booked an appointment, we're going to remind the landscaper, "Hey, John Smith hasn't booked an appointment yet. Please reach out to them and get them to book." Then it keeps waiting. If it doesn't turn into an appointment, it goes to stale. And once again, we put them into the nurture sequence because we never want to forget about them. Now, you might be wondering, what does this nurture sequence look like? Well, it's just a bunch of emails and SMSs spread across a different timeline. So you can see here, we're sending emails, SMSs. We can make this as long as we'd like. So for example, if you want this to be a bit longer, I can copy this, paste it over here, and now we've just added another 10 days here. So you can keep adding it so the client keeps getting these emails and reminded to come purchase with the landscaping company. If they end up responding to this workflow, then we have another workflow here called engaged with the nurture workflow. And then we put a tag on them called re-engaged. And then we say, "Hey, welcome back. Excited you're still interested in our services. Here's a little promotion or a mystery gift to get you back interested in what we have to offer." And then we put them into a separate workflow. We put them into this workflow called responded to nurture. And inside of here, we again put them through the re-engaged. We text our staff member, our landscaper, to say, "Hey, this lead just came back to life. Jump on them quick, give them great service because they're interested in buying with us once again." Now, if somebody does book an appointment, we're going to go into this appointment booked workflow right here. And this is to make sure that they actually show up for the appointment, which is equally as important. So it's very simple. We're going to basically add a tag on them called appointment booked. We're going to send them an appointment confirmation SMS saying, "Hey, your appointment is confirmed. This is the date. This is the time. We're going to be showing up." We send that in email and SMS format, but then we also send reminders 3 days before, 1 day before, 1 hour before, and 10 minutes before. We keep sending them reminders because we don't want any mix-ups, any rescheduling to happen. And if they do need to reschedule, we give them a way to do that. It's very simple. Now, if they don't show up to the appointment, then of course we have an appointment no-show automation right here. So we've got everything covered. Everything that this landscaper could ever need or think of will be automated by this system right here. So they have to focus on nothing but doing their landscaping work while our automation prints them money on the back end. And that's exactly what this appointment no-show system will do. So if they ever tag an appointment as no-show, like, "Hey, they weren't home, they didn't show up," things like that, then they're going to be put into this sequence and they're going to get an automatic SMS. They'll say, "Hey, I was just here. We just missed you at our scheduled time. Is there a better time to reconnect?" And then like other SMSs and emails saying, "Are you free tomorrow? Do you want to reschedule? Is everything okay? Are you still interested? What happened?" So these are still going to go out. You can, of course, edit these in whatever way that you'd like, but just having every scenario accounted for is very helpful for these landscapers so they don't need to think about anything else. And finally, one workflow which I love is called our database reactivation offer. So this is something that you can generate instant value with your landscaping clients for. So one thing that all of these home-based service companies have is big databases. If they've been in business for the last 5, 10, 15, 20 years, then they've likely been sitting on a stockpile of leads of businesses who've interacted or been interested in their services in the past. So if they've got at least 5 to 10,000 leads, what we can do is a database reactivation offer, which is exactly what it sounds like, but we're going to bring their database back to life by just injecting SMS and email marketing directly to them. So it's very simple. We're going to send their entire list like, hey John, I'm offering a custom discount for, old leads or people who are interested in our services in the past for the next 10 customers. Is that something you'd be interested in? Sending this one text alone, you're going to get like a bunch of replies saying, yes, yes, tell me about it. I'm interested. What's this all about? Now, if somebody did reply, if it's a positive reply, then we basically say, great, here's a link to claim your discount voucher. And then you can put like a checkout page, you can put a book a call, you can do whatever you want to do as an offer right there. If it wasn't positive, then you can just say, hey, no worries, no problem. If they don't even respond, then you can send a second attempt just saying, hey, just checking back to see if you're still interested in saving discount on our offer. Should I put one of these discount vouchers aside for you? And then you can keep sending these emails and SMSs until you get a positive response or they say, stop contacting me. But the idea is that you're going to get a lot of these fast action takers because they already trust you. They know who you are. They've worked with you in the past. And now you're simply just putting a new offer or discount in front of them. A lot of them will take you up on that. So it's a very easy way to make a couple thousand, tens of thousands of dollars for your clients without them having to do additional ad spend, no new marketing, no new leads. You're basically just wicking up leads that they already had. And a full end-to-end system like this is something that almost every landscaper needs. A lot of these solopreneurs, if they're running small shops with less than 5 employees, they don't have time to manually be sending emails out and SMSs and following up with leads. So a system like this is fantastic for them. So if you want access to this exact template and how to actually sell it, how to get it in front of landscapers, then like I mentioned, you have access to my school community, which you can join for 100% free. The link will be the first one in the description. The reason I mentioned that is to actually get access to the template and the software itself. So the template will come free with the Hexona software, so you don't have to worry about that. You can just come over here to my community. You can go to the classroom section, go to the course introduction right here. I'll talk to you about what Hexona is, how these templates work, how to start an automation business, and everything will be covered for you inside of my school. If you have any questions, you can come to me directly. You can just hover over my name, click on chat, send me a message. I respond to all of my DMs, or you can leave a comment in the forum as well. Say you watch this video. I'm more than happy to help you start your AI business. Almost 46,000 people here have gone through this community, and we've got some fantastic results like Michael over here, who made $15,000 with Hexona systems just 45 days after starting. And there's so many other examples here, like Mohammed here closing a $1,500 deal, getting $350 a month. Loads of examples. You can go through them at your own time inside of the school. But if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section or message me directly, and I'll see you in the next one.